Ocean zones. Learn in 90 seconds.
Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea, Learn in 90 seconds with me, Victoria. Today I'll be talking about the different zones of the ocean and how it is divided up. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you aren't already, hit that bell when you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.
So the ocean is divided into benthic and pelagic zones. The pelagic zone is the water column where swimming and floating organisms live. The benthic zone refers to the bottom of the water. The organisms that live on the bottom are called benthos. The pelagic zone is divided into the Noretic zone and the Oceanic zone. The water above the intertidal shelf is the Noretic zone, and the water past that out in the open ocean is the Oceanic zone. There are three different light zones: euphotic, dysphotic and aphotic. The photic zone is areas where the sunlight reaches. The dysphotic zone is where there is very little sunlight and photosynthesis is not possible. And the aphotic zone is areas where light doesn't reach at all. The ocean can also be divided by depth. The epipelagic zone, known as the sunlight zone, from the surface down to around 200 metres. Then there is the mesopelagic zone, from 200 metres down to around 1,000 metres. This is where very little light reaches. And then there is the three aphotic zones: the bathypelagic zone or midnight zone from 1,000 metres to 4,000 metres. Then there is the abyssopelagic zone or abyssal zone from 4,000 metres to 6,000 metres. And then the hadal pelagic zone, also known as the hadal zone or trenches, from 6,000 metres to the bottom of the ocean, around 11,000 metres.
Thank you very much for watching my video all about the different ocean zones. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Thank you for joining me and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Cheers.